Hey there, it's Anna. Today we are diving into a topic that's often shrouded in mystery. The things that women secretly crave from men on a sexual level but are hesitant to voice out loud. But why the silence? Now it could be due to societal expectations, personal insecurities, or the fear of being judged. In this video, we are going to gently pull back the curtain on these hidden desires. Understanding these can deepen your connection and bring a new level of intimacy to your relationships. And by the end of this video, you will gain insights into these unspoken cravings and how to respond to them. Be sure to watch until the very end for an invaluable bonus tip that ties all of these points together. It's a crucial element you will not want to miss. Appreciation of her body beyond the obvious. First, let's discuss a desire that many women have but often don't voice, the appreciation of their body beyond the obvious. This is about understanding a deeper, more meaningful form of admiration. Women often crave a type of appreciation that goes beyond surface-level compliments about their physical appearance. While being told they are beautiful or attractive, yeah, it's nice, but many wish for their bodies to be appreciated in a more thoughtful and profound way. This deeper appreciation acknowledges the uniqueness of her body, its capabilities, and its connection to her identity. It's about valuing her for her physical uniqueness, the stories her body tells, and respecting it as an extension of her being rather than just an object of attraction. To show this deeper appreciation, focus on noticing and complimenting aspects of her body that are unique to her or that she is particularly proud of. It could be about the way that she moves, the strength that she exhibits, or the way her body has supported her through various experiences. For instance, instead of a generic "you look nice," you could say, "I really admire how strong and graceful you are when you are dancing." Such compliments show that you see and value her body not just for its appearance, but for what it represents about her as a whole person. Desire for emotional connection in intimacy. Next up, we will explore a common yet often unspoken desire among women, the need for a strong emotional connection as a foundation for physical intimacy. Many women yearn for emotional depth to be intertwined with physical intimacy. Now, this isn't just about a physical attraction or the act itself, but about feeling a deeper bond that elevates the experience to something more meaningful. Emotional connection in intimacy involves understanding, trust, and a shared closeness that makes the physical experience much more fulfilling and significant. It's all about intimacy being an expression of emotional closeness, not just a physical act. To foster this emotional connection, focus on building trust and understanding outside the bedroom. Engage in meaningful conversations, share experiences, and show genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings. When it comes to physical intimacy, let it be a continuation of this emotional closeness. Show affection, be attentive to her needs, and ensure that the experience is mutually satisfying on both an emotional and a physical level. And by doing so, you create an environment where physical intimacy is a beautiful expression of the deeper emotional bond that you share. Experimentation without judgment. Our third point delves into a delicate yet significant desire, the craving for sexual experimentation without the fear of judgment. Many women harbor a wish to explore new dimensions in their sexual experiences, but often hold back due to the fear of being judged or misunderstood. This desire for experimentation can range from trying new positions, exploring fantasies, or introducing new elements into the sexual experience. The key factor here is the freedom to explore these desires in a safe and open environment, where their choices and curiosities are met with understanding and openness rather than judgment or criticism. Creating a non-judgmental space for sexual experimentation involves open communication and a willingness to explore together. It's about having discussions where both partners can express their desires and curiosities without fear of being shamed or ridiculed. Approach these conversations with an open mind and a willingness to consider her perspective. When experimenting, it's important to proceed with a sense of adventure and mutual enthusiasm, ensuring that both partners feel comfortable and excited about the exploration. Now remember, the goal is to enhance your sexual experience through mutual understanding and exploration, fostering a deeper, more satisfying connection. Being listened to about likes and dislikes. Many women wish for their partners to take a genuine interest in understanding their preferences, both in and out of the bedroom. This includes what they enjoy, what they are comfortable with, and what they prefer to avoid. It's about recognizing that every woman is unique and her likes and dislikes are an important part of her identity. Being listened to in this aspect signifies respect for her individuality and a desire to make experiences together enjoyable and comfortable for her. To address this desire, actively engage in conversations where she can express her preferences. Listen attentively when she talks about what she enjoys and be mindful of her dislikes. This listening should translate into action, showing that you value her input and are considerate of her comfort and enjoyment. For instance, if she mentions loving a particular type of cuisine, consider planning a date at a restaurant that serves it. In intimate settings, pay attention to her cues and feedback, ensuring that your actions align with her expressed likes and dislikes. This approach not only enhances shared experiences, but also deepens the trust and connection in your relationship. Appreciating the insights, a like and a quick comment go a long way. And I love reading your thoughts and suggestions on what subjects you would like to see covered next. Appreciation for sexual initiative. Many women appreciate it when their partner takes the lead in initiating sexual encounters. This can be seen as a sign of desire and attraction, making them feel wanted and attractive. It's about the partner showing confidence and enthusiasm in wanting to be intimate, which can be incredibly appealing. However, this initiative should always be attuned to her responses and comfort. It's about finding the right balance between assertiveness and mindfulness of her feelings. To meet this desire, consider gently initiating intimacy when the moment feels right. This could be through affectionate gestures, romantic settings, or verbal indications of your desire. Pay attention to her reactions as you do so, ensuring that she is receptive to your advances. It's important to maintain a sense of harmony and reciprocity, allowing the initiation to be a part of your mutual connection. And by doing so, you contribute to a dynamic where both partners feel equally desired and valued in their intimate life. Need for reassurance and affection post-intimacy. Let's talk about the craving for reassurance and affection after being intimate, a need that is often deeply felt but not always communicated. After intimacy, many women desire a continuation of closeness and affection. This period is crucial as it can reinforce feelings of security, connection, and mutual care. Reassurance can come in various forms. It might be through cuddling, gentle conversation, or simple gestures that convey warmth and affection. These actions help in consolidating the emotional bond and provide a sense of comfort and appreciation, making the intimate experience more fulfilling and complete. To meet this need, be mindful of the moments following intimacy. Engage in affectionate gestures that show you value not just the physical aspect, but the emotional connection as well. Hold her close, engage in light and positive conversation, or simply enjoy a quiet moment together. These actions don't need to be grand. Often, it's the small, thoughtful gestures that resonate the most. Showing affection post-intimacy is a way of expressing that your care extends beyond physical interaction, strengthening the emotional bond in your relationship. Bonus tip: complementing the aforementioned points, a valuable bonus tip is to cultivate emotional presence in all aspects of the relationship. Let's explore why being emotionally present is crucial and how it can fulfill many unspoken desires, enhancing the depth and quality of your connection. Being emotionally present means being fully engaged and attentive, not just in the moments of intimacy, but in everyday interactions as well. It involves actively listening, showing empathy, and being responsive to her emotional needs. This presence reassures her that she is valued and understood beyond surface level interactions. It means celebrating her successes, providing support during challenges, and being genuinely interested in her life. By cultivating this emotional presence, you address many underlying needs, such as feeling appreciated, understood, and securely connected. It creates a safe space for openness and vulnerability, deepening the trust and bond in your relationship. Emotional presence is a key ingredient in a fulfilling relationship. It ensures that both partners feel seen, heard, and valued, and this practice fosters a deeper emotional connection, making the relationship much more resilient and satisfying. It's about building a partnership where both feel emotionally supported and deeply connected. Having uncovered what women secretly crave from men, what's next in unlocking the mysteries of attraction? Consider watching the gestures that girls cannot resist, or explore the signs that a girl can't believe that you haven't made a move yet. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.